We work very hard to satisfy everyone, and our business thrives on the happiness of others. So when someone writes to tell us we did a great job, we love to show our appreciation by sharing their review. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to make you happy too. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Contact us today and let us give you the same amazing service.